Hey Rex.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, share. Listen, whatever you see here, it's okay for you to share it. Do turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of laughter and good food, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this rice and peas stuffed salmon tofu we're about to consume.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Hey Rex.
Hey Rex.
How you doing? Welcome back. We made today rice and peas, some fried tofu. I have a little tomato here. And this is the beauty of all beauties. This is salmon stuffed with tofu and vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are good at digging.
We have a spoon. They say greedy people eat with spoons.
That's what they say. They used to tease you about that in Jamaica when you were younger.
Look,
yeah.
Guys, look at all this
the juice, right?
Wait, I can't even get it. But there's a lot of juice
like
in
if
here.
You lean it forward.
Guys, look at that. Look at all this.
Oh, wow.
So look at it.
That
man, man. And we have some tomato. Not a lot, just a little bit. Fried tofu.
Not a lot, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Mine is leaking on this side.
It's good that it's leaking no bad.
I know.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take the first bite.
Oh my. You know, I gotta say, babe, you make some great food.
Mm-hmm.
It be tasting so good. Alright, look, Rex, this is part 2 of the personality. What personality are you? Or what
Listen
personality?
up.
What personality you think you are? So I think we have, babe, you have 4 more?
I have 4 more to go.
While I eat, babe is gonna let them run.
Okay, so we're starting with the first one. The first one is.
Hold on, babe. Let me give them some of this. And put some fish on that.
You want a piece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
hold on, guys. Put some fish. Put some of the.
Oh, I dropped it.
Don't worry about
I popped it.
There we go, guys. You have some rice and peas, tofu on top, salmon and vegetable.
There you go. Okay, so sage. That's the first one I'm doing, and it's communicator and storyteller. Sage loves knowledge, which they share with large groups of people. These are media spokespeople, public speakers, marketing salespeople. Sages love to appear on stage and receive applause. They are light-hearted and fun to be around, sharing their love of life with as many people as possible and reminding us to have fun and enjoy life. Typical occupation include communicators, entertainers, teachers, business leaders, and snake oil salesmen.
Yeah.
You gotta get the percentage of that one.
Alright, I said the percentage is. I said 60.
Ooh. High?
It's high?
Yeah.
No, I'm high or the number is high?
The number is high.
More than 60?
Did you set your cup?
More than 50?
No, it's less than 60.
Less than 50?
Mm-hmm.
But, does that remind you of anybody?
Yeah. I would say that would go for your personality. Oh, that fish tastes good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's me all day.
Mm-hmm.
So what is it, a sage?
Mm-hmm. A communicator and a storyteller. Sounds about right? Okay. Then we have the warrior, champion, and strategist.
Tell me.
Active defender and protector. Warriors are solid folks, both men and women, that defend and protect society. Warriors are productive, organized doers. They like to make the laws and enforce the laws. They love to plan and enforce plans. They love to compete and love challenges. They are very loyal to people and to ideals, sometimes following their leader without question. Warriors like to work with physical things. They love to organize everything and anything. They tend to enjoy active sports and like to hang out with other warriors. The US promotes warriors as the ideal male role model because warriors are the majority personality role here in the US.
Majority?
Yep. Women warriors are everywhere as well in the world. Typical occupations include physician, massage therapists, counselors who use confrontive technique, athletes, business people, strategists, police officers, lawyers, project managers, advocates, soldiers, construction workers, organizers, solid citizens, good, dependable employees. How much percent do you think that is?
Good, dependable employees?
Yeah. I mean, that's one of the occupations.
30?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's backwards.
No. Okay. So that was 30%.
So that was what, warriors?
Then you have scholar. Scholars are, in brackets, they have teacher, philosopher, and information keeper. Scholars are teachers, philosophers, writers, and information gatherers of societies. Scholars truly thirst for knowledge and love to try everything just to see what it's like. Scholars tend to be low-key people. Typical occupation includes philosophers, students, adventurers, anthropologists, authors, academics, teachers, librarians, researchers. How many percent do you think that? I'll give you a hint. It's in between 15 and 30. I think 30 is a high enough number.
I'm not in that bucket, so I'm gonna say 20.
Ah!
Yeah?
Yeah. So
I'm really good at this.
yeah.
Jay, I'm really
I
good
know,
at
I
this.
see.
You know what time it is.
Kool-Aid in the building. Ow.
Let's work for the Kool-Aid.
Ow.
Let's work for the Kool-Aid.
Ow.
Let's work for the Kool-Aid. Yeah. JB waiting for the Kool-Aid song to bust out twerking.
I know. You know, I anticipate every time you're gonna do it.
I think so.
I reach for my cup and I'm like, oh, that's now.
Whoa. You can never get used to that quench.
No. Okay. I have one more. If you haven't heard yours yet, this might be it. And if any of the three sounds like it's you, comment down below and let us know which one it is. And the last one is server, caretaker, and facilitator.
Hold on, baby. Hold up for me. Can you all see that? I got you. Don't rush it. Some things you have to take time.
Ooh.
This one is for you wherever you are. So we have some salmon here. On top of the salmon, we have some stir-fry tofu with vegetables. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put some honey in it. A little bit of honey. Alright. And baby's gonna feed it to me. I always wanted her to feed me. That's the thing about it. That's why I gave her the spoon. I always wanted her to feed me.
But my hands hurting now.
Baby, put that in my mouth.
It's falling.
Girl, I'm gonna help you.
Okay.
Because we're a team.
Good. Ooh.
Okay, go.
All right. Server, caretaker, and facilitator. Servers work behind the scenes, taking care of everyone and everything. Servers make excellent facilitators. Notice the way former President Carter has been able to negotiate peace agreements with several countries. Servers tend to shy away from publicity and may try to avoid attention. Typical occupation include nurses, nurturers, helpmates, healers, clerks, caretakers of all kind.
That's you all day.
Yeah.
All day. I read what again? That's you all day, babe.
They work behind the scenes, taking care of everyone and everything.
That's you all day, babe.
Yeah. I'm gonna take that one.
So how much you read? 4?
I read 4.
And they were?
Sage, warrior, server, and scholar.
Alright, guys. So there you have it. Part 2 of the personality. Who are you? So which one are you? I figured out that I was the sage. And what is the thing of the sage? The sage? The sage?
The sage is a communicator and storyteller.
And you are
the server, which is facilitator and caretaker, I think. Yeah.
Well, hey, now I know that. I used to wonder why I tell so much stories.
You know, I never used to wonder about it.
No?
I just think you talked a lot.
Oh, no.
No.
No, Jay. You know I'm quiet, but look. I used to wonder why I tell so much stories. Now it makes sense. I'm a sage. I'm going to just go around and tell people I'm a sage. Because now I know that what I am.
They're just going to think you're crazy.
But no, look. It's technical, right? In real life, a sage is to purify and cleanse life.
No,
Hey.
No.
Purify and cleanse. Hey, come on. Give what's due to me, due to me.
You know, if there was anything bad said about that side, that personality, you know, you wouldn't have taken it.
No, it wouldn't have been mine. What? Jay, why would a perfect person like me
I know.
take something that
I
bad?
know.
Listen. No, don't forget. No, Rex, don't forget. My thing says that I'm a storyteller.
I know. She is good at it.
Look, and babe, did you taste this? This tofu guy, the babe seasoned it top and bottom. It's well seasoned though, and she fried it dry. Look, and babe is a server, and that she do real good at serve me.
I do know.
All right, guys. So listen, look. This was good. This right. Let me see if I can get it up close. You see that? Baby, how long did you bake this for?
It takes about 20 minutes to a half an hour.
Okay. It came out good. It was tasting real good.
Yeah. And so it has a nice a little bit of spice to it, but not a lot. Yeah, 20 minutes to a half an hour and it's pretty much good. Salmon is pretty.
And when she cooked and it tastes good, it makes me want to do this. If you ask me to, I just might change my mind.
No. No. No.
And there you have it. No. All right, Rex. This is where we'll leave you. We hope you like that personality, who are you thing.
And remember to comment down below which personality you are. I repeat the 4 that we did today. And you could rewind to see what they are.
And we did part 1 3 days ago.
So you could catch up on that one. Yeah. So
and look, see which one you are, because no, not for nothing. Excuse me. When I listened to it, it helped me. Not that I didn't know my personality, I already did. But it helped me clarify it. Okay? Yeah.
So it's sage, server, scholar, and warrior.
What are you?
I am the server.
And I am the sager. Well, this is a storyteller, so I have
you
to
have to
put
put in every single thing.
No, okay. Okay. Alright.
No.
Okay. This is how we leave you until we meet again. Have a good time. Have a fun time. Have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, guys.